Okay, Walaikum Assalam. Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope everyone doing well. So let's get started about today's lesson. Okay, students, do you have my screen? Mina, do you have my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, I'm going to show everyone about the homework. Only 8 people handed the homework. What about others? What is wrong with you guys? There are lots of people. Please explain your reason. You may unmute yourself or you may drop message on the chat box so I know what is the reason. Everyone should do the homework, guys. What's wrong with you? Zawad Azizi, are you there? Mahbuba Smiley, are you there? Mariam, Muhammad Amin, Amiri, maybe he's there. What is your problem?
Hello, sir. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
I'm sorry, I can't find the speech, but I can't do my homework.
Okay, you need to go my YouTube channel so you can find the lesson, previous lesson. So you can watch my lesson, then you can submit your homework.
Okay, teacher, I move you this video, but I can't learn.
Okay, no problem. I will recap this lesson again today. Okay.
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 Okay, thank you.
What about others? Student, please
Sir,
response me. Yeah.
Sir, I think she has problem. Sir, I also asked you that she has problem with the layer point. Sir, the layer panel. Sir, she said that when I select one panel, so the another one is also the effects also affect another layer. So, sir, that was her problem. So still, she has problem with that. Sir, I explained to her and also I shared the video. But sir, she has still problem. If you can solve her problem.
Yeah, sure. Okay. So let's get started. So let me create a new layer. So if you do not have this type of interview, don't worry about it. You may just click file, then new. Then you will create your new output. So in that case, I'm going to open an image. Maybe this image. So let me show you my layer. If you can't see your layer, just click here on the window. If you do not have your layer panel on the right side, just click window, then click layers, this one, then it will be appear. Okay, so as you can see, I have one layer. Okay, this is layer one, or okay, this is layer one. Let me place another image here. Okay, my computer was not the faster version for the photo, that's why I couldn't do my homework. Okay, Shahiba, maybe you may download the lower version of Photoshop, so it will be fixed. Hi sir, I faced the same problem with my Photoshop. Could you give me another chance? Okay. Okay. Maybe I will extend the date, submission date, if everyone submit your homework. If I extend in 2 days, if everyone submit your homework, so I can extend. What do you think? Should I extend the time? Homework time, guys? Should I extend? Okay, 1 person. What about others? 2 person, 3 person. That means only 3. I need more response so that I can extend the date. Only 3% just agree with me. Okay, 4%. No. 4%. Yeah, 6. Okay, 7. 8. Okay, I will extend the date from okay, due date would be 11 February. Okay, guys, 11 February. I have extended the date, and please do your homework, everyone. Okay. Please do your homework. I have extended the date. Okay. So yeah, let's back into our lesson. Okay, as you can see, I have only one layer. If I want to place another image in the same window, what I have to do, I just click File, then place embed. Then let's place another one. Okay. So okay, as you can see, let me rename it. Just double click on it and let me rename it layer 2. Okay, let's say I want to work on layer 1. Okay, I don't want to work on layer sorry, let me rename it to layer 2. Layer 2. Let's say I want to work only on layer 1. Okay, let's see, I want to work only layer 2. That means this layer, this image. Okay, I don't want to work layer 2, sorry, layer 1, the second one, second image. Let me make it wait, okay, there are two images in two layer, as you can see here. Okay, so the first one, this one, now in layer 1, and this one now in layer 2. So let's say I want to work on layer 2. Okay, only layer 2. So what would be the process? First of all, I need to select layer 2. Okay, and I need to lock layer 1 because I don't need to work on layer 1. So I need to lock layer 1. So let's do it. First of all, I need to work on layer 2. For that reason, I'm going to selecting this one, but I don't want to affect my layer 2. For that reason, sorry, layer 1. For that reason, I'm just going to lock this layer. As you can see, I can't do anything else with this layer 1 because this is locked. Now I can do anything else with layer 1. If I take brush tool, I can do this. As you can see, it will affect only layer 2. It won't affect layer 1. Let's say if I take eraser tool, where is eraser tool? Yeah, eraser tool. As you can see, let me decrease this size. As you can see, this is only effect on layer 2. This won't affect on layer 1 because layer 1 is locked. Okay, let's say I want to work on layer 1. I don't want to affect layer 2. So in that case, I need to lock layer 2. Then I'm going to work on layer 1. For that case, I need to select layer 1. Then I need to, I need to start work on layer 1. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Okay, so that was our main topic from the previous lesson, and this is important because in every and each moment we are working on layer panel. So this is too much important to learn the layer things. Okay. Okay, so let's go to let me create a new tab. New, then click here. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to work on, this is our class 3. We're going to work on rectangle tool, text tool, pen tool, which is most important for your Photoshop, application. And we are, maybe after that we are going to do some projects like flyer, brochure, and so on. In that project, we are only use this tools maximum time. So in that case, this is important class for everyone. Okay, let's get started with text tool. If I'm going to if I show you something like this, flyer design, flyer, brochure, anything design, Without text, design is nothing, as you can see. In this design, everywhere they use text. They use text, as you can see. Text, 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 and text. So without text, design is nothing. If you just imagine that there is no text, it will be empty and it will look too bad. So for the design, text is important. And whenever you work on with your client, first of all you need to send him or her that please give me text. Text means content. Whenever she give you the title, the program time, and everything else, then you can start design. So text is important for the design. As you can see, this is called typography. Okay, there are lots of things. So in that class we're going to see how we can add text, how we can make bold, how we can make like thin, italic, and so on, like text style. Then after that, whenever we are working on project, we are using these things, this same logic. Okay, so let's get started. So let's say this is one of my design for my company or for my class. Okay, for my YouTube channel. So in that case, I need to write something else. Let's say Internet Bangladesh. So how can I do this? There is a tool. This is text tool. This one T, text tool. Okay. Then if you want to control this panel, you need to appear a character panel. This one. Whenever you appear this character panel, you will get lots of option to design your text. Okay, no problem. I will upload my recorded video on YouTube channel, so you can watch on it. So no issue. Don't worry about this. Okay, in that case, let me you just need to click here. Whenever you click here, you will see this type of things, like this type of things. As you can see, this one now is blinking. Okay, so whenever you click here, your word will be started like the dummy one. Let me change the color. As you can see, lorem ipsum, which is dummy text. I think everyone have idea about this, which is dummy one. If you do not have this one, don't worry about this. This is depends on Photoshop version. I am using 2021. That's why it's automatically like whenever I click anywhere else, it automatically start with lorem ipsum. So let's say you want to write your own name. So let's type our country name. Your country name, Afghanistan. Afghanistan. Okay. So this is my text. Let's say my client send me this text. I want to make this text in very attractive way. So how can I do this? Just click here. So I'm just disappearing this panel. Let me close all of them. So okay, what I need to do, I need to go window, then I need to click character. Yeah, character panel. Okay, in this character panel you will get lots of option. Font name, font font family, like it would be bold, italic, thin, font size, and so on. Let's see one by one. So first of all, let's say I want to increase this size. So you just need to just click here. As you can see, whenever you click here, you can change. As you can see, like this. You can increase and decrease this size. Okay. Let's say I don't like this font. As you can see, this looks bad. Let's say I don't like this font. So what you need to do, you need to just click here. Then you need to, scroll down. There are lots of fonts. There is a issue. In my case, I have lots of fonts because I have downloaded the fonts from the Google. Then I'm installing on my computer. That's why it shows lots of font. From your end, from your in computer, maybe there would be limited font. Okay, that only Photoshop provide. So in that case, you need to download fonts from the internet. You just need to do like you just need to type on Google fonts free download. Google fonts free download. Then you will see this one, which is free. Okay, you can use. Then let's say I want to use this font. Just click here, then download family. Okay, protest the font name, then click here, then unzip this one. Let me drag and drop on my desktop. Okay, you won't see that. Okay, let's say then extract here. It's now in my another computer. Okay, I have extract this one. You just need to click here, down, then install. And remember that my font name is Protest. Protest. So I have downloaded and installed the font on my computer. I just need to like show them. Okay, click here. Then what is my font name? My font name is Protest. Protest. Oh, okay. Let's take a new one. It just takes sometimes. Okay, Protest. PRO. Yeah, as you can see now, Protest. This is the simple way. You just need to go Google, then type Google font, then download and install it. Then whenever you type anything else, you just need to select the font family from here. Understand everyone? How to select the font, how to change the font, custom font. Understand? Yes. So in that case, maybe clients will like text you that, hey, I like the font, the Google font like this. Montserrat. Your client maybe text you that I like the Montserrat font. So in that case, you can just go to the Google, then download it, then use Montserrat font on his project. Yeah, Mahbooba, do you want to say something? Okay, so in that case, you may just change your font. Then you may change. There are only one font family. Let me show you Montserrat. They have lots of family, and Montserrat is one of popular font. So maximum time you will see. And the next one is site, and this is a font family. You may change font family. This is, and let me show you. Let me make it twice line. Okay. So I want to like make some. Yeah, I will give you, but not now. Let's work on. Let's focus on the class. Okay. And you can text me personally. So just remind me, so I will show with all of them the checklist of font family. Don't worry about it. Thank you. So as you can see, lorem ipsum. So I want to make more gap between this line. So in that case, I can use this one. As you can see, as you can see, as you can see, as you can see. Okay. So in that case, you may just do this like space between two font. Then in that case, let's say I want to make the gaps between the font. As you can see, you can do this. Just click here, then move your mouse from left to right. You will see. So in that way, you may this is called one kind of typography. As you can see, looks awesome. So this is one kind of typography, basic typography. So in that case, as you can see, looks nice. So in that case, you can do this. Then you can expand single, let's say a. Okay, then you can like, as you can see, this is horizontally. You can like scale up, scroll down. This is vertically, scroll up, scroll down. This is the things. Okay, so let's say I want to make them bold. This is already in bold, so let me change it to light. Let's say I want to make it bold. As you can see, now it's more bold. I want to make it italic. Now we can make italic. I want to make them uppercase and lowercase. As you can see, I have selected this one. That's why everything is now in uppercase. Then this one, first capitalized, first row would be upper, then small caps. And this one, this is for mathematical purpose. This is also, so ignore this, underline, then cross underline, and so on. So this is not the important one. The important one is bold, uppercase, lowercase, and the italic one. This is the things. And skip this one. Don't worry about this, because this is related to math. Whenever you are working on mathematics, maybe it would help you. So this is not the uh, important one for now. So this is the main, you know, like text panel. So by the help of character panel, you may just work on the text. So let me show you some design. So let's say this is my company name. Sorry, this is my country name. So let's say I want to change the color. You may just change color from here. Okay, from here as you wish. First of all, make sure that you have select this one. You are now in move tools, then you can do this. Let's say I want to change this one. Just click here, then change the color in your own way. Then let me show you another one. So we type Arif from BD. Okay. So in that case, I want to make it bold. You need to just select these things. Okay. I want to make more gap. I need to reduce their gap. Okay. Who is this? Mahmouba, can you mute yourself, please? Please mute yourself. Okay, then I want to change this color to this. You can do this, as you can see. Then let's take another one. This is Bangladesh, but I want to make it italic. So I need to just select it here, italic. I want to change the font family. This one, as you can see, this is also a nice font. So in that case, you may work on okay. So in that case, you may work with text tool. So let me show you one of my, as you can see, this is my banner thumbnail of my video. So in that case, I'm also using the text tool for each and every text, as you can see here. So in that case, you may use a text tool on your design. There are some vertical type. If you want to type vertical, so you can do this like Arifremal. Okay, then move tools, then click here. As you can see, if you want to write in vertical, so you can do this. Where is my layer panel? Window, then layers, then delete. As you can see, if you want to type vertical, you can do this. If you want to type horizontal, it's already in horizontal, and everyone type always in horizontal way. So yeah, if you want to type like mosque, this one AR. So let me show you the uses of this mask. Let me open an image. Okay. So if I click here, like Bangladesh, Control D. Okay, horizontal mask. Let's take horizontal marks. Okay, as you can see, this is called Arif Remal. Okay, as you can see, this area now selected. This area now selected. If I move this one into another one, you will see this will take only this image part. Okay, as you can see, Arifremal. So let me download one of leaf image so you can easily understand. Leaf image. Okay. So as you can see, let's say this is one of save, then file, open, downloads, desktop, then this. Let's say I want to write down my name here in the leaf. So how can I do this? You need to just go here and type your name. or should I type AR? That's it. That's enough. So as you can see, this area now selected. That means it will cut down only this part of from this image. As you can see, this is the uses of type tool, type mask tool. Understand, everyone? And actually, we are working on only this tool maximum time. We are working on this tool, and this is not the necessary one, but this is quite interesting. That's why I discussed this. Okay, so let's move forward into most important tool for Photoshop, because whenever you work on it on any project, let me show you some of projects, some of flyer design. As you can see, no, as you can see, this flyer. If you think about this flyer, there are lots of shapes. This is one kind of shape. This is one kind of rounded shape. This is one kind of custom shapes. This is one kind of shapes. This is also rounded shapes. This is also rounded shapes. As you can see, let me show you this one. As you can see, in that design also they are using some shapes. Maybe this is from the ellipse tool. This is another custom shapes that will that pen tool will help us to create this type of shapes. As you can see, also this is also a square shapes. So in that case, rectangle tools or these tools, shape tools, helps us to create our own custom design. So let me open, sorry, not open, let me create a new tab, because we're going to design something else. So let's take this one. Okay, let's say I want a square shape. So what you need to do, you have to click here, rectangle. Okay, then right click on it, then make sure that you have select the rectangle tool. So if I drag and drop like this, it will be created as shapes. But the problem is there is nothing like this is white color. Okay, let's say I want to change this color. How may I do this? You just need to, as you can see on the top part, you will see two types of color you may select. The first one is fill color, that means inner color, and the second one is stroke. You may call one kind of border. Okay, this is a stroke color. If I click, make sure that you have selected this one. Okay, then you have click here. Then if you change this one, inner color will be changed. Inner color will be changed. If you want to select custom color, just go here and select your own custom color. Inner color will be changed. For this stroke, as you can see, there are two types of things. This is the inner one, inner color, which is called fill color, and there are another color is now in white color. This is called stroke color. As you can see, stroke, the second one, the first one and the second one. As you can see on the top part, this is fill. Fill means this inner color. Okay, inner color. And the second one called stroke. Stroke means, as you can see, this is white color. White color. That means this. If you want to change the stroke color, you need to select here. So let me change this color. This is now in white. Let me change it to another color, red color. Now you can see the difference. Stroke color and fill color. So let's say I want to change the fill color, and you may also appear your properties panel to control this one. Just go to here, close this one window, then properties. Whenever you click anything else, let's say I want to click here, now it will be changed. This one will be switched into this one. So if I click here, this one would be switched into these properties. So it will show individual panel, individual tools properties. Okay, if you work on properties, you may do this. Otherwise, you may just select here, then you may also change color from here, as you can see. Then you may increase the size. Let's change it to red. Then you may also change the type. As you can see, you may also change the type, shapes type. You may also control from the properties panel. If you don't like this one, just select the panel. Then you may also change from the top part, as you can see. Everyone understand? Should I repeat this one, guys? Okay. Thanks for your response. So in that case, you may create rectangle. So let's say I want to create a, rounded shape. As you can see, they have used yeah, this one. I want to create this type of shapes. So let's take the color. I have used extension. Okay. Maybe you may also use this extension to take the color sample. Okay. I have taken the color. I want to create the same things. So how can I do this? Just delete this one. I'm going to delete all of them. Okay. Then let's take a, as you can see, ellipse tools. So you need to press shift and alt at a time to make a like perfect ellipse, perfect rounded shape, circle shape, sorry. So you need to select, I'm pressing shift and alt at a time. If you select shift and alt at a time, your shape will be like perfect rounded. It will be 100% equal from the each and every side, from the center point. So I'm pressing shift and alter. If I release shift and alter, as you can see, it look like something like this. It won't like be equal from every side. So in that case, you need to just press shift and alter at a time. As you can see, I'm pressing shift and alter. Let's say I want to change the color to my own color. So how can I do this? I want to change this color into custom color. I have already copied the color code on my computer. So you just have to click here. Then this is my color code. Then press OK. Sorry, I want to change the fill color. Okay, then OK. Press OK. As you can see now, it looks good. This is 100% like same as it is. Let me change the background color so that you can see. As you can see, now it's now in this same. This one and also this one almost same. As you can see, this one and also this one almost same, but they are using like gradient. We'll see gradient later, not now, but this is almost same, as you can see. So in that case, you can create, could you repeat this part again? Yeah, sure. Let me repeat again. Okay, so let's close everything. Close all, close others. No. Close. No. I don't want to save. Okay. Let's create a new file. Okay. Let's say I want to create a rectangle. So right click on it, then select the rectangle option. Right. Then whenever you draw a shape, just press your mouse left click and release your, whenever you are satisfied with the size, just release your mouse. Whenever you release your mouse on the top part, if you don't have the properties one, you just go here, then click properties one, so it will be appear. So if you don't have the properties one, you may control this from here. So let's say I want to take a color. Okay, this is now in white color. Okay, let's say I want to take a fill color. Fill color means inner colors, and stroke color means one kind of border. Okay, so if I click here, fill color, then if I change it to this color will be changed. I want to change the stroke color. Okay, so just click on it, then click on it. So you will see, as you can see. Okay, just go to your Chrome extension or whatever else, then type color picker extension. You will see just color picker extension. As you can see, Colorzilla that I use. Let me send all of them the link, copy, and chatbot chat box. Okay, this is the extension that I use each and every time to collect the color sample. Okay, so in that case, you may just do this. Let's say I want to create a circle shape. Just click here, then drag and drop this. Let's say I want to change the color for now. You may just change the color, inner color. Let's say I want to change the border color as well. Just click here and that's it. This is the thing. Usra, do you understand?
Yes, teacher, I do understand this part. Could you repeat the part that you bring from website, the color from Adult?
Okay, so I'm just using an extension. This is called ColorZilla extension. Okay, so as you can see, I have already shared the link. You just need to go here, and you just need to add extension on your browser. Then you can select any of color from anywhere. This is the thing. This is the process to collect any color. As you can see, I want to collect this color. Just click here. It will be collected. So you need to just add this extension. That's it. And don't worry about the things. Client always gives you the color code. Don't worry about this. Okay. So let's say I want to make a triangle. Just click here. You can create a triangle. Let's say I want to change the inner color. You can change from the properties panel, or you can also change the top bar. Okay, let's change this color. Let's say I want to click a polygon tool. As you can see, you may do this like this. Okay. So the problem is, as you can see here, as you can see this design, this is not the regular one. As you can see, you won't see this type of, this type of shapes, ready-made shapes on your, uh, let me take a screenshot and let me just copy this one. Okay, where is my Photoshop? Let me create a new one. No, I don't need this one. Let me create a new file. New. Okay. Okay. Not cancel. Right click on it. Okay, in that case, as you can see, for this design there are no, there are no common shapes. There are just only one common shape. As you can see, this one, you can easily create this type of shapes. How can I do this? Just click here, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just as you can see, you just need to select this one. Just go to this polygon tool, then click here. Then you need 6 corner. Just click 6. Okay, 6, then hit OK. It will be created. So yeah, let's change the color. So you will see, let's change the stroke. Let's change this color to this. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this is almost same. If I rotate this one, it would be same. How can you rotate this? Just click here. Just click here. Whenever you like change your mouse position, you will see that it is now one kind of rounded. Your mouse would be something like, whenever you will see your mouse position something like this, your cursor, that means you can rotate. As you can see, now my mouse is now rectangle, like arrow types. Okay, it's now in arrow. So whenever I move my cursor to here, it will be changed. As you can see, now you can move your cursor. You can move your object design. As you can see, I'm pressing shift, that's why it's changing like this. So this is almost same. As you can see, this is almost same. Let me make this rectangle to none. If you want to, like, if you don't need any stroke color, just click here. What's wrong? Just click here, stroke, then click here, none. That means there would be no, there would be no stroke here. So in that case, as you can see, I can easily create this one by the help of polygon tool. But the problem is, there is no ready-made shapes, this type of shapes. How can we do this? In this case, you need the help of pen tools. Okay. In pair tools, there are special two types of things they are doing. As you can see, if this is a pen tool, as you can see, this is the pen tool. Okay. Whenever I click the pen tool, in the top side, you will see two types of things, especially two types of things. The first one is shape, and the second one is path. Whenever you are creating your new custom, this is one kind of custom shapes. As you can see, this one is one kind of custom shapes. That means you need to create in your own way. So whenever you need to create in your own way shapes in your own design, in that case you have to use the shape pen tools. Then you need to like create the shapes. As you can see, I want to create the shape. For this reason, I need to select the shape option from here. Make sure that you have select the shape option from here. Okay, do not select the path. Whenever we are working on image, we will use the path option, but for now we are going to use the shape tools. Okay, So I want to create this type of shapes. You just have to click here, then click here, like this. Then I'm pressing Alt to delete the anchor point. Okay, let me show you the things. There are 3 types of things happening in the same time. This is called anchor point, the main point. This is the handle, left and right handle. Okay, this is the left and right handle. By the help of handling, you can change your design design uh, design uh, design ratio, like design. Let me show you. I'm pressing Alt, as you can see. Sorry, yeah, I'm pressing Alt, as you can see. I can change the design. I can modify the design by the help of uh, handle. As you can see, I can change their design. I can change the shape design, same as it is. Okay. So there are actually, let me delete this one. Let me I can do this. This is one kind of hard as a beginner, but this is the important one. If you learn the pen tool exactly like 100%, if you learn 100% a pen tool, you can do any kind of design in Photoshop. Let me explain you again. First of all, you need to select the pen tool, then you need to select shape option, then you can just click here. Sorry, let's take a new layer. Okay, I'm just clicking here and take a new layer. Click here, then I click here. Click, 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 and click, as you can see. Then let's say I want to change the color. Just click here, change the color. Let's say I want to change the stroke color. You can do this. First of all, you need to just you need to do lots of practice to understand the tools. Let's do again. Click, first click, then second click. Okay, in that case, as you can see, this is my first anchor point. This is my second anchor point. So my shape was something like this. Let's say I don't like this type of things. I want to make this more narrow. Okay, I want to make this more narrow. In that case, you need to just click Alt Control from your computer. Press Control, then you can change the the structure, as you can see. Let's say I want to change this one. As you can see, you can change this one. This one, as you can see, you can modify your design. So let's say I want to take another one, then another one, then you can just do, as you can see. Then I want to take another anchor point. So in that case, you may take another anchor point. I want to take another one. This is the finishing one, last one. Let's say I want to modify this one. What you need to do, you need to press Control. Then you will see the handle, left and right handle. Then you can change. I'm just pressing the Control. Do not release your Control button. So if you press Control, you can you can change. Let's say I want to change this portion. So just click Control. Do not release Control from your keyboard. Then you can change the shapes structure. As you can see, you can modify anytime. So yeah, let's say I want to change the color, the inner color. That means fill color, like this. I want to change the stroke color. Just click here, then click here, as you can see. In that case, you can create custom shapes. So let's try to create this type of shapes. So how can I do this? First click here. For the practice purpose, you may just take a screenshot, then you may just draw. Let's say I want to create this one. So I'm just pressing Shift to make a straight line like this. Let me decrease the size. Okay. Then I want to go here. This is a one kind of rounded one. So I can do it easily because I have lots of practice. That's why. For your reason, maybe it would be quite tough. So don't worry about it. Okay. So this is my shapes. This is done. I'm now in Move Tools. I'm just moving this. Okay. So I want to take exactly same color. In that case, I want to take exactly same color. Maybe you have remembered that we are too familiar with a tool. This is called the color picker. Whenever you click the color picker, you will see this color will be changed. this color will be changed. I am now in color picker. I just click here. As you can see, color change. If I click here, this color will be changed. If I click white color, this color will be changed. If I click here, this color will be changed. In that case, you can use the color picker tool, eyedropper tool. Sorry, eyedropper tool. So I need the same color for this one. So I just collected this color as my foreground color. Okay. I'm now changing my tool into from the eyedropper to move tools. Okay. I am now in move tools. Okay. Then I am now in pen tool. Now I can easily select this color. As you can see, this color. Okay. There is no stroke color, as you can see here. So I can just make it none. So this one and this one is 100% same because I am using eyedropper tool to select the color, as you can see. In that case, you can do this. Guys, do you understand? Should I repeat, guys? Should I repeat? Okay, this is the things. Okay. Oh, that's great. That's great. That's good. So in that case, you can create any custom shapes. So let's try to create this type of shapes. How can we do this? Just go to this here. First of all, we need to collect the color, exactly same color. What can we do? Just go to eyedropper tool, then select the color. As you can see, this color is changed. Okay, wait. Okay, sorry. So first of all, I need to like collect the color. So in that case, you need to go to the eyedropper tool, then collect the color. As you can see, this color is changed into this. So the next step is I want to create a shape. This is one kind of custom shape. That means you need to create in your own way. In that case, just click here. Okay, pen tool. Make sure that you have select the shape option from here. Then start draw your like design like this. And to make this more rounded, then if I want to close this handle, you need to click, you need to click Alter. You need to press Alt, then click here, then something like this, as you can see. So now I want to change the color because I need exactly same color. How can I do this? Just select this one, then select the pen tool, then click here, then click here. Now it's changed. As you can see, this is the way. Student, do you understand? Okay, that's great. That's really nice. So as a beginner, if you, as you can see, I'm just doing this one because I have lots of practice with pen tool. That's why I can do any kind of design. I can do any kind of design easily. But from your case, whenever you're working with these tools, you will face lots of things. Maybe someone don't like these tools, but this is the important one. Okay, in that case, you need to practice this one. How can you practice this one? Let me show you the process. First, you have to go new. Okay, then you need to create. Everyone, just focus this part because this one would be one of your assignment. Okay, classwork. Okay, so first of all, you need to create a create a create a tab, a new artboard. Then I have already told you about about the text tool. Just click here and type S, only S. Okay, then select any font that you like, any of font. This is not mandatory that you need to select the Montserrat font. This is not the mandatory. Then make it bigger. Just click here, make it bigger, and bigger, more bigger. Okay, S word. Okay, make it bigger. You may make it also bold as you wish. Okay, I don't need italic, I need it straight. Okay, this is S, and we have already know how to lock a layer. Then you need to lock this layer. That's it. After lock this layer, you need to create a new layer. This is done. Then you need to go pen tool. Okay, then you need to start draw the same things. As you can, the same as you can see, same as as you can see here, you will face lots of things. Whenever you face this type of issue, in that case you need to delete the anchor point. If I click, as you can see, if I do it, you know, if I do it something like this, then if I do not delete this anchor point, it will affect my design, because whenever I do this like this, as you can see, this is not the proper way that I need. So in that case, whenever you do new anchor point, you can delete this anchor point by the pressing of Alt. You may also do this Alt. You may also do this like this. So I can do this easily because I have lots of practice with this. But from your case, you will suffer lots of portion, lots of, you will suffer lots of time. As a beginner, I have the same issue. I was not to, then let's say I want to, let's delete this one, then delete. Okay, then delete, then make it. Then I want to make a stroke color. I have already selected this one. Then I need to just click this, change this one. If I move this one, as you can see, there are lots of different. So in that case, everyone should type S. Then everyone should lock the layer. Everyone create a new layer. Then everyone work with this tool. This is one of your assignment. Everyone clear? Everyone clear this assignment? This is important one. This is the easy one. Okay. So, and if you do not remember the shortcut way, let's say whenever I press Control and Alt to delete the key, this is the shortcut way. If you do not remember this one, don't worry. There are also some, some way. So let's say you want to add an anchor point. Okay, you can add anchor. Let's say for this one, there are lots of anchor point, as you can see here. As I told you, there are lots of anchor point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anchor point. Let's say I want to delete one of them. Right click on it. Just right click on it. Okay, then delete anchor point. Click here, it will be deleted. Click here, it will be deleted. Let's say I want to add a new anchor point. Just click here, just click here, then click. As you can see, this is now edit. What is wrong? Let me draw a new one. So if I want to draw a new one, just click pen tool. Then let's say this. Let's say I want to add a new one. In the simple way, you just need to draw a new one like this. If you draw a new anchor point, it will be automatically added. But you can also get helps with this anchor point. You may add the new one. As you can see, one now it's plus. You may add here. Let's say I want to add anchor point here. I want to add another anchor point here. Whenever you release the mouse, it will be, as you can see. In that case, you can add an anchor point. And free transform tool, whenever you draw as you can see, let me delete all of them. Let's say I am not comfortable with this, the basic one like this. I want to draw a, draw a house. So home. So you may use the free transform tool. As you can see, this is the things. I want to draw a, draw a tree like this. I'm not good in art. So in that case, you can do this, as you can see. So I want to change this. I want to take a, oh no, I want to make this none, and I want to take a color like this stroke color. For this one also, I want to take only stroke color. So now it looks one kind of, tree. I also want to take another one. So by the help of free transform tool, you can do this. Let's say I want to draw a person like this. So let's select all of them at a time. Go to here, then change this color to this. So by the help of free transform tool, you can do this. Do you understand, guys? This is the pen tool, which is most important tools. Okay, let's recap all of the tools in one art tab, in one artboard. So then we are finished. So let's do this. Let's create a new artboard. First of all, we discuss about the about the text tool, which is most important. So Arif Remal. Okay, this is too much bigger. So what can I do? I can make it, like this. Arifremal. This is one kind of, this is one of our, we are like draw any line, or we are add any text by the help of text tools. Then we can work on it. Let's see. We can make it different. We can change the color. We can change the font family, and so on. This is the color tool. And next we are discussing about the rectangle tool, which is most important tool. As you can see, there's the rectangle tool. We can change the fill color. That means this color. We can change the stroke color. That means this color. One kind of. We can also change the stroke. As you can see, we can also increase and decrease the stroke size like this. Okay. The next, we are just working on the pen tool in shape mode. For that reason, we can create a custom shapes. As you can see, this is custom shapes. If I go to our flyer design, so okay, let's say there another shape. As you can see here, this is the rounded one, rounded shapes. We can also create this type of rounded shapes. How can we do this? Right click on it, then take a rectangle, then take a shapes rounded. I'm using Photoshop 2021. For that reason, I can see this option, this rounded option I can make. But in that case, maybe if you are using, if you are using 2090 or 2020 or 2080 or Photoshop CC, you won't see maybe this type of things. So how can we make the rounded of one? You need to just select your rectangle. Sorry, you will see an option here. As you can see, you can also control the rounded of the shapes. So you can do this. Let's make it none. Okay. So in that case, we can also create a rounded shape as they use here. As you can see, there are also things. As you can see, there are also shapes. As you can see, if I take one of them, copy, as you can see. So let's say I want to draw these shapes. How can I do this? I'm now in pen tool. Okay, then this, then this, then this, then this. Let's make it none. Let's take a color. So I need exactly same color. In that case, I'm going to eyedropper tool. I'm just collecting this color, and I'm now again in the pen tool. Then I can change the color. This is almost same as you can see here. Okay, so next let's talk about the next class homework. For the next class homework, I will upload some file on the assignment. The first one is maybe I will send you some image, some shapes. You need to create shapes with by the help of pen tool. Maybe I will send you some Photoshop shapes. Let me show you the process. As you can see, there are lots of shapes, star and blah 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 blah. Maybe I will attach this image on the assignment one. Okay, you need to download the image, okay, from my assignment, from Google Classroom. Okay, whenever you download the image, okay, let's say you have downloaded the image, you need to open Photoshop file, then open. Maybe it would be appear on your download option. Then you need to open on this on your Photoshop application. Then you need to, I will send you separately, don't worry about this. You need to lock the layer, lock this layer. Let's say maybe I have sent you only this one. Okay, I have sent you only this one. You need to work on only this. So let me crop this one so it would be easy. And I will send you separately, don't worry about this. Let's say I have sent you this one and I told you just create these shapes, just recreate these shapes. Okay, so first of all you need to download an open image on your Photoshop, then lock this layer. Okay, lock this layer, then take a new layer. Okay, lock this layer, then take a new layer, then start work with pen tool. Do not work with any other tools. Stop, just work on pen tools in shape mode. Then try to draw this one. As you can see, I'm working on it. Try to draw this one. Okay, so this is almost done. Whenever you are done, you need to just drop here like this. Just click here, hide this layer, then go select this one, then change the color in your own any color. Okay, then make the stroke color to none. Then whenever it's done, just save this image, then submit my assignment on Google Classroom. Everyone understand the process? I will send you some shapes. You need to just work these shapes. You need to recreate the shapes by the help of pen tools. This is the homework. I will send 3 or 4 shapes. You need to recreate these shapes by the help of pen tool, then submit the homework. That's it, everyone. Any question, students? Any question about this today's lesson? If you have any question, please tell me. And if you are facing any issue with Photoshop, please ask me. You can ask any type of question now because we're almost done. If you have question, just raise your hand. Then any question, guys? Any question? Okay, thank you. Okay, Mina, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
I think we can quit the class because student don't have any question.
Yes, sir, the time is already up, so we
Yes.
can end our meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you
sir.
everyone for joining today's lesson. Please do your homework. It helps me a lot that I can prove myself that I can discuss in the proper way. So please do your homework. That's it. Thank you everyone. Allah Hafiz.